Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently Wednesday and I most likely will it is currently almost 9:30 at night, so I'll just post this video on Thursday. And y'all, we ended up having a whole week of overtime, so I will be working 12 hours. Well, I actually just got off at about 8:50, so 12 hours today on Tuesday, and then I'll work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 12 hours as well. Now, when it comes to my overtime, we are only able to work up to 12 hours a day, so yeah, whatever overtime I do work, all of that money will most likely go towards the cruise. Let's go ahead and close out my budget. New to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I do in fact do all things budgeting. Let's talk about the budget. Let's close it out. I did not keep up with my no spend days, but I really didn't spend much either. Hold on. Okay, so it definitely looks like I'm going to need to edit this since I ended the previous video, but it's okay. The last time we talked in regards to my spending, I did have $65 left for grocery. I had $20 left for spending. I had $20 left for gas. I did get $20 worth of quarters, that way we can wash. I haven't gotten gas yet, definitely need to get some, but I get paid tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that. And I did go grocery shopping. I spent $31.18 at Walmart, and I turned around and spent $16.78 as well. So when you subtract these two amounts from grocery, for grocery I ended up with $17.04. And of course for gas I didn't spend anything, so I still have that $20. Hold on. And we are back. So when it comes to everything, this is what most of the budget looks like. The income was $1,514.83. Here's all of my fixed expenses. I did go ahead and get part of this bill paid for, but I'm so sick of getting notifications from the retina specialist. Y'all, they have sent me text messages, emails, also call. Well, it's an automatic voice call, and y'all, I'm sick of it. So I'm most likely just gonna pay that bill in full. I do owe $116. I'm probably going to pay it from my health savings account. No, yeah, that's right, from my health savings account and get it out the way. And then I believe I do have a ophthalmologist bill that I just got a couple days ago. I think that bill is $183. So I may most likely knock both of those bills out. And I do have my dentist appointment next month. I don't know if I want to pay it with the cash I have or just pay for that with my health savings account card as well, but we'll see. So when it comes to the budget, here it is, and let's go ahead and close it out. Now this video will not be long at all whatsoever. So I did write down all the fixed expenses, $884. Let me get my calculator. Okay, so I'm just putting everything into my calculator. So when it comes to the income, it was again $1,514.83. When it comes to the fixed expenses, it was $884. When we subtract debt $262. We have $368.83. And then I was able to save $120.83. And then we were just left with $248. Now, if I go through and for spending, I did spend that whole entire 28 bucks. For grocery, I did spend $182.96. And now we're left with what we currently have for rollover, $37.04. So that's $17.04 for grocery that I still have, and $20 for gas that I still have. And for right now, I did, let's see, I told Travis, I told him that I would pay for something, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe it was $16. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract that amount out of the rollover versus, you know, getting it from somewhere else. And now we're left with $21.04. So for the $21.04, I'm going to put this whole amount into the cruise fund. That way, you know, at least I'll know where it's going to. So $21.04 going to the cruise fund for October. Other than that, that's it for the video, everyone. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I've been pretty much on TikTok most of the day, looking at videos in regards to cruises and what people wore and all of that, and jumping down a rabbit hole. But other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you all in another video once well, shoot, today is Thursday, so, today is Tuesday, not Thursday. Since today is Tuesday, I'm not going to post a pre-budget video, not this time, especially since I get paid tomorrow. My bills are pretty much the same as they are for the paycheck that we are currently looking at, so it's okay. I'll see you in another video. Bye.